Have you ever felt like the whole video creation process is a massive time sink? Scripting, editing, personalizing, it all adds up, right? Well, I've got some great news for you. In this video, we're going to talk about how AI can take a huge chunk of that workload off your plate. Now, I know it can feel overwhelming thinking about all the tools, the learning curve, the time investment, but trust me, I've been there. But here's the thing, AI is here to help, and it's a game changer. And trust me, it's way easier to use than you may think. I'm Jeremy, and after 26 years working in UK broadcast TV, capturing everything from royal events to live concerts, I've picked up a fair few tricks along the way. But what really gets me excited now is helping business owners like you use video to grow your businesses without losing your mind or clogging your diaries up in the process. In this video, we're going to dive into how you can use AI tools to streamline video creation, from scripting to editing and even personalizing content. By the end of this video, you'll have a toolkit that will take hours off your production time. So, are you ready to save some serious time with your video creation? Let's get going. When I first started creating online videos 3 or 4 years ago, it took absolutely ages. It would pretty much take me a day to do one video. That same video right now could be sorted out within a matter of a few short hours. And even over the last few years, the tools have got so much better. And the advent of things like AI means that you're not staring at a blank sheet of paper waiting for inspiration to strike before you can write scripts and come up with topic ideas. Maybe you've had that same feeling, spending half a day scripting only to spend another chunk editing, and by the time you're done, you're too exhausted to even think about promoting the video or a launch plan. Does that sound familiar? Well, AI is like having an extra set of hands. It's not here to replace your creativity. It's here to free up your time so that you can focus on what really matters, honing and getting your message across. The bottom line, once you start using AI, you'll be amazed at how much quicker and smoother your work process becomes. Imagine having all that time to focus on connecting with your audience and making sure you're delivering the maximum amount of value you can. So let's break it down. Here are 3 key areas where AI can transform your video workflow. There are tools like ChatGPT and Jasper that can help you generate script ideas, outline content, or even write script drafts. Of course, you'll need to go in and you'll definitely need to tweak it. After all, it's your voice that matters. But these tools give you a huge head start. And here's the critical bit. You definitely shouldn't just cut and paste what AI gives you. You need to make it sound like you. That's why tools like Jasper.ai are so good. You can train ChatGPT to write in your style, but it's a much longer process. Right now, I'm finding it 70% AI, 30% me. You definitely need your humanity added into the mix. Ultimately, that's how you create content that is unique to you. AI editing software like Descript can automatically transcribe your video. It cuts out filler words and even suggests edits. Imagine the hours you'd normally spend manually trimming clips. Now you can get it done in a fraction of the time. Also, AI can help personalize your content. Descript, which I always use, allows you to create multiple video content versions really easily. You can tweak the messaging, making small adjustments, and even generating captions super easily. If you want to know more about Descript, just click the link in the description below. Each of these AI tools streamlines a part of the process that normally can take hours. That's time you can now spend refining your message or interacting with your audience. For example, using Descript, I took a 10-minute video, trimmed it down to 6 minutes without manually cutting out my ums and ahs. I even had it auto-generate captions, which are absolutely critical for social media. AI is not going to quite make your coffee just yet, but it certainly will make the rest of your workday a hell of a lot easier. Pause the video right now for a minute and think about where you could save time with these tools. What's the most annoying part for you of your current video process? Got it? Right, let's see how AI can help you cut that time down. Now, some of you may be thinking, it all sounds brilliant, but AI tools, aren't they complicated? And I get it, it can feel intimidating at first because ultimately you're learning about new software, you're learning these new tools. And I'll be honest with you, when I first started using AI tools, it did feel a bit clunky. I wasn't sure how much control I'd have, or even if it would feel like me speaking in the end. But with a bit of practice, you'll see that these tools don't take over. They help you do what you're already great at, but just faster. And don't worry if it doesn't feel perfect right away. You don't need to be a tech expert to make this work. It's all about taking small micro steps, trying one tool at a time and seeing the results for yourself. At the end of the day, AI is meant to assist, not replace your creativity. And if you're feeling stuck, remember, you're not the only one navigating this. We're all figuring out how to use these amazing new AI tools together. So now that you've got the tools to streamline your video creation, the next step is structuring that content in a way that will keep people watching. And in the next video, we're going to dive into how to structure your videos for maximum engagement. Because let me tell you, having great content is one thing, but if it's not organized, your viewers will tune out quickly. Let me know in the comments below, what's the one thing you struggle with most when creating videos? Drop it in the comments below and I'll make sure to cover it in one of my future videos. So to recap, AI tools can save you loads of time, whether it's helping you script, edit or personalize your videos. AI is here to make your life easier. It's not about replacing your creativity. It's about enhancing it so that you can spend less time on the nitty-gritty and more time creating content that genuinely resonates. Here's what I'd love for you to do next. Choose one AI tool we've talked about in this video. Give it a try with your next video and see how it can streamline your process. Let me know your experience in the comments. I'd love to see how it went. And don't forget, if you found this helpful, give the video a cheeky little thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on using video to supercharge your business. Let's keep this journey going on together. Next up, we'll talk about structuring your content to keep viewers engaged from the start to the finish of your videos. You don't want to miss it. See you soon.